Hello everyone, this is Eddie Reyes and I'm the owner of Jurax and I'm also an attorney. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how to pass the exam because it's coming up very fast and you are getting nervous. I can sense it. Okay. Let me ask you a question. What if the state bar said, hey, we're going to give you the subjects ahead of time? Would you pass the exam? Think about it. Would you watching this, would you pass the exam if that happened? Now, that actually did happen, right? Remember the last time it was administered? And did a lot of people pass in like high numbers? The answer is no. And the State Bar did make a report. And here's what they said. They said that there was no material impact on performance. Think about that. What does that mean? Think about it. That means that people are studying, too many people are studying in the wrong way. Maybe not you. Or maybe you, I'm not sure. That's why I'm making this video, because I want to make sure that everyone that watches this video passes the exam. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the operation of the law. Okay, how the law operates, the dynamics between the rules and the elements, because you need to know that. Let me give you an example of what I mean by how the law operates. You have something like civil procedure, personal jurisdiction. You have general jurisdiction and you have specific jurisdiction. You got to keep it all organized. Under general jurisdiction, you have continuous, systematic, you have consent, served within the form state, all that. So you go from point to point. And which one are you going to focus on? Well, that depends on the facts, but you have a clear outline there, a clear structure. And I call those the cheat sheets, the templates. And there's a link here below. Okay, but that's what you want to start doing now at this point. Forget about trying to memorize, because too many of you are out there trying to memorize every single rule and element. But you are forgetting to do something. What is that? You're not applying the law. Let's look at another example. Let's look at per capita with representation, which is what California uses. Now, if you don't know the rule, don't freak out. Just understand the operation of the law. So in that situation, the grandchildren would get whatever all of the grown-ups combined leave behind. Let's look at the example. So in this situation, A is the grantor. His children are B, C, and D. B and D have predeceased A. And these are the grandchildren. So each gets 1/3. Now, he is still alive. He's going to get his 1/3. So what's left between B and D? 2/3, right? So the question is, what did all of the grown-ups put together leave behind? The answer is 2/3. So that means that all the grandchildren will split 2/3 amongst them. And here's the approach that I would take. So I would look at these templates, I would look at the outlines for like 15 minutes, not more than 20, just skim through them and grab an essay, then do the mock, the practice under time, under simulated conditions, do the essay, right? Recall as best you can. And then that's where you apply the law. That's where your lawyer-like writing skills are developed. And if you're not doing this at this point, then do this today. And once you get your essay back, or once you grade it, and then look at what you wrote. Did you get the rules right? Did you apply the law correctly? That's where the majority of the learning is going to take place, and that's where you're going to get the passing score. So I hope this helped. I wish you all the best, and I hope that you pass the bar exam. Best wishes. Until soon.